Hey guys, welcome to Quick 4K Guide. In this video, we're going to be talking about someone might be spying on your SIM and how you can stop it immediately. So first things first, what you want to do if you have suspected someone spying or if you suspect your SIM card is being spied on, what you want to do is immediately dial this number. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your phone and then head to keypad and simply go ahead and dial star hash 21 hash, just like that. And this is going to be the number to check for call or message forwarding. And the best way to disable this is going to be by dialing in star 002 hash, just like that, and then dial this number as well. Now what you want to do is check for fast battery drain or unusual data usage and so on. And what you can do if you go ahead and face this is going to be by trying to contacting your carrier to set up a SIM pin to prevent unauthorized, let's just say, access to your SIM. The other thing you want to do is also update your phone's software. So all you need to do for that is going to be head into your settings, just like that. And once you are in your settings, you want to simply go ahead and head inside of general, just like that. And finally, all you want to do is simply go ahead and click on software update and update it. It is as simple as that. After you've done everything, make sure you change passwords to everything else as well. I hope this video clarifies all your problems. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.